Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to create a Steam account. This is an easy process to do. The first step is download the application of Steam. Here I download the application, and when you download the application you need to go to here when the application is in your phone, and here in signing in you need to pick here in don't have an Steam account. You pick here, and you need to create your account. You need to put uh, email. You need to put your direction, a short direction, the country, and you need to confirm you not are a robot. So after that you need to pick here in continuar. This is continue, and you need to confirm in the email you are used for the account, and confirm your identity, your email. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.